How to add a credit or debit card to PayPal account. First things first, open your preferred web browser and go to paypal.com. Alternatively, if you have PayPal app, simply you can open it and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the three horizontal bars. Simply go to Wallet. Here you'll find an option that says Link a Card. Simply tap on it. Here you can choose which type of card that you want to add. Once you've done that, simply enter your expiration date, your security code and billing address. Make sure the billing address matches the one registered with your bank. After entering your details, simply tap on click Link Card or Save. PayPal may charge a small verification amount to confirm your card. And that's it, you've successfully linked your credit or debit card to PayPal.